If you want to customize tiles or widgets on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, you can easily do that by just pressing and holding your finger on the tile that you wish to, for example, reposition. So let's say I'm gonna press and hold my finger on this one, and after a short while, as you can see, we have the little preview. We can go through different tiles, different sections, and we can press edit in case you want to customize it. Over here we can easily remove a tile by just tapping on this minus button. If you want to, you can also change the position by grabbing the tile, just press and hold your finger and then move it up or down, and like so. If you want to, you can of course create your own sites, own pages, I guess, that's how we can call it. And if you want to do so, you just need to swipe all the way to the right side and you should be able to press add tiles. And over here you can find various different stuff, including some apps, so some tiles made by apps, prepared by apps such as the voice recorder, etc., that you can add, and we can just keep adding to the list. So over here you can create your own page with, for example, apps or health features and so on and so forth. You can also edit these pages on your smartphone if your Galaxy Watch 8 is connected to your smartphone by a Galaxy Wearable app. Then over there you should also be able to find an option that allows you to edit these pages. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.